Today we're looking at part number 71-872. This is your 12K trailer spindle nut kit. So this is the 12,000 pound spindle with the cotter pin. The part number on the 12K trailer spindle right here is CN12K. And then we got the cotter pin for the 12K, also 16K. And the part number on here is 19-035. So this is just a replacement spindle, nut, and cotter pin for the 12,000 pound through 16,000 pound axles that use the number 120 spindle. So this can be used with the Cotter axles, Lippert axles, Rockwell axles, Quality, Alco, Hayes. They all use the cotter pin on here in castle nut. So this is a great little replacement to have on hand just in case you need it while traveling. It's a big old castle nut, as you can see, and we'll measure it real quick. So the outer diameter is going to be 2.69 and the width of it is going to be 1.25 and the inner diameter is 1.68. And then you got your cotter pin that goes with it. Very important thing to have on there. If you don't have these on there, your hubs will fly off and you will lose your tire and wheel. You can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or trailerkits.com, or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd be glad to help you out. Thanks for watching.